73% of all Ontario eviction proceedings start with one form: the N4 notice. Get it wrong, and your case gets thrown out. Get it right, and you could have your tenant paying within days. We are going to show you exactly how to do it. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This is educational content, not legal advice. Laws change, and every situation is different. Always consult a licensed paralegal or lawyer for your specific case. Now let's get into it. The N4 is officially called the Notice to End a Tenancy, early for non-payment of rent. It's your formal notice to a tenant that they owe rent and must either pay or move out. Here's what most landlords don't realize. 67% of N4 notices result in the tenant paying, not eviction. The N4 is actually one of the most effective rent collection tools you have. Now, if you've heard anything about Ontario rental laws recently, you've probably heard about Bill 60. This changed everything for landlords in November 2025. The biggest change? Notice periods dropped from 14 days to just 7 days for monthly tenancies. That means faster action when tenants don't pay. But here's the catch. Tenants now must pay at least 50% of arrears before they can raise maintenance issues at hearings. This is huge for the landlords. Let's walk through the 10 steps to serve an N4 properly. Step 1. Confirm you can serve. You can only serve an N4 the day after rent is due. If rent is due on the 1st, you cannot serve until the 2nd. Serving on the due date is the #1 reason N4s get thrown out. Don't make this mistake. Step 2. Download the official form. Go to tribunalsontario.ca/LTB and search for Form N4. Only use the official LTB form. Third-party forms or your own templates will be rejected. Step 3. Complete. Page 1. Fill in your name and address as landlord. The tenant's full legal name exactly as it appears on the lease. The complete rental unit address including unit number, and the termination date. Remember, the termination date must be at least 7 days after you serve the notice for monthly tenancies. Step 4. Complete the rent owing table on page 2. This is where most landlords mess up. List only lawful rent. No utilities unless included in rent. No late fees, no NSF charges, no damages, and no parking unless it's in the lease as rent. Calculate arrears carefully because page 1 total must match page 2 exactly. Any math error can get your case dismissed. Step 5. Serve the notice properly. Valid methods include handing it directly to the tenant, giving it to an adult in the unit, placing in the mailbox, sliding under the door, through a mail slot, courier which adds 1 business day, regular mail which adds 5 days, or email but only if you have written consent. Invalid methods that will get your case thrown out include taping to the door, text messages, social media messages, email without written consent, and leaving it with a neighbor. Step 6. Complete the certificate of service. Document the date, time, method, and who received it. Take photos with timestamps as proof. This protects you if the tenant claims they never got it. Step 7. Wait for the notice period. For monthly tenancies, it's 7 days. For daily or weekly, it's also 7 days. And for mail service, add 5 extra days. During this time, the tenant can void the N4 by paying everything owed. If they pay in full, the N4 is cancelled, and you cannot proceed. Step 8. File the L1 application. If the tenant hasn't paid after the termination date, go to the Tribunal's Ontario portal and file an L1 application. The online fee is $186. Paper filing is $201. You'll need the original N4, the certificate of service, and the lease agreement. Step 9. Prepare for your LTB hearing. Current wait times are 3 to 5 months. Gather all evidence including the lease, payment history, all communication records, bank statements, and the N4 with certificate of service. The more organized you are, the better your chances. Step 10. Attend the hearing. Most hearings are now virtual through Zoom or telephone. Be professional, stick to the facts, and bring all your documents. If you win, you'll get an eviction order. Then you'll need to file with the sheriff to enforce it, which costs around $400 to $500. Now let me share the 10 fatal mistakes that get N4 cases dismissed. Number 1. Serving too early, before the day after rent is due. Number 2. Including non-rent charges like utilities, late fees, or damages. Number 3. Wrong termination date that doesn't allow enough days. Number 4. Math errors where page 1 and page 2 don't match. Number 5. Wrong or missing tenant names. Continuing with fatal mistakes. Number 6. Incomplete address missing the unit number. Number 7. Invalid service method like taping to the door. Number 8. Accepting partial payment after serving, which voids the N4. Number 9. Forgetting to sign the notice. Number 10. Including future rent that isn't due yet. Avoid these and you'll be ahead of most landlords. Let's talk timeline and costs. The N4 itself is free. L1 filing is $186 online. Sheriff enforcement runs $400 to $500. Optional paralegal review is $200 to $400. Total process from N4 to potential eviction takes 4 to 8 months. Remember, 67% of tenants pay once they receive a properly served N4. You may never need to go to the hearing. Quick recap. Serve only the day after rent is due. Use only the official LTB form. Include only lawful rent, no extra charges. Serve properly and document everything. Wait the full notice period. File L1 if they don't pay. Prepare thoroughly for your hearing. That's everything you need to know about the N4 notice in Ontario. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more landlord guides. Check out 10and10.com for tools that make property management easier. Drop your questions in the comments. And remember, the N4 is a powerful tool. Use it correctly. Thanks for watching.